Welcome to our Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. Charley Black just landed a multi-album deal with Universal. They have not sent wet, but expect the album to be released by next year. 2 weeks ago, Tifa had an interview with DJ Black Barbie. She stated that she may be retiring in 2018. She didn't give why, but today I have the reason of why she may be retiring. She states, "From the day I stepped foot in the music game, it's been a fight. 10 years worth of a fight. Me against the industry that felt like I didn't belong. Numerous attempts to get rid of me, to downplay me, even attempts at my life. And for what? Because God gave me a talent." Hopefully Tifa won't be following with retirement, because miss, we need spell out, we need chronic, y'all, we need all the mix for play out. But if you want to see Tifa this weekend and you're in New York City, she will be performing at Mingles. That's where I'll be at, so catch me there this Saturday, December 9th. So lately, celebrities have been breaking the internet, and one of them is Jada Kingdom. If you don't know who she is, she sings this song.
All my best friend, who you texting? Every day I say them girl you're upsetting, but I'm patiently waiting, because I know my time them wasting. 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 I know my time. If me did ever know, say I saw it would have turned on.
She had posted this picture, and many had a lot to say about it. She then came back and defended herself, and she stated this.
Listen, Jada, show off yourself, because God gave you a good body and need for sure talk to the people them, alright? Good.
Seems like Konshens is getting ready for 2018. He deleted absolutely everything off his page, recently just putting up a new picture. New things 2018. What to expect from Konshens, we don't know, but we are all looking. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.